So my next math video is still with linear equations and moving into systems of equations. This one is to find x and y intercepts and then to be able to graph. So the first thing I want to do is look at how you find x and y intercepts of an equation. So I have here a reminder, but this is really the most important part you have to remember, is that an x-intercept, y equals 0. So with that information, if you want to find your x-intercept, you will take your equation and set y equal to 0. So 0 will equal 3 over 2x plus 9. Now, once you've set it equal to 0, then you want to isolate x. So before we can touch that fraction, we need to move 9 to the other side. So negative 9 equals 3 over 2x. Then multiply both sides by 2. So your 2 will cancel, and you'll have negative 18 equals 3x. And then you can divide both sides by 3. And x will equal negative 6. So as an ordered pair, you have negative 6 and 0. Now we could do the same thing to find your y-intercept, but this is what we want to remember. At a y-intercept, x equals 0. We also can recognize that we're in slope y-intercept form, and we can easily just get our y-intercept from the equation. But let's just set x equal to 0 and show it's the same thing. So if you have y and you plug in 0 for x, this whole term goes away because anything times 0 is just 0, and then 0 plus 9 would just be 9. So as an ordered pair, this would be 0 and 9. So looking at your formula, just remembering if you are in that y equals mx plus b form, the number that is alone is your y-intercept. But if we don't remember that, and we know that at y-intercepts x equals 0, we can find it anyway. So the next one, doing the same thing, use your intercepts, and then we're going to graph it. So let's start with your x-intercept. So make y equal to 0. So just using your equation, 0 will equal negative 4x plus 12. Getting x alone, move that 12 to the other side. So we'll have negative 12 equals negative 4x. Now divide both sides by negative 4. Your x-intercept happens at positive 3. So as an ordered pair, you have 3 and 0. For your y-intercept, we know that x equals 0. So hopefully we can see it right away from the equation. But if you can't, we'll go y equals negative 4 times 0 plus 12. Your term will cancel, and your y-intercept is 12. Sorry, my dog is going to bark here. Go, go. So as an ordered pair, that would be x is 0, y is 12. Now when it comes to graphing, and obviously you can do a very nice graph here, but we'll just do a rough sketch. You would have your grid, and we know we have the x and y axis, and you can graph and label your points. So my x-intercept, that happens at 3, so 1, 2, 3, and 0. I'll just put that point there. That's my first intercept, my x, and then I'll do 0 and 12. So when x is 0, y is 12. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up here. So that's the point 0 and 12. Once you have your 2 points, then you just connect your dots, and let's hope that crosses a bit better, but hopefully we get it. You connect your dots, extend your line, and you've now graphed your equation based on those intercepts. Very messy graph, but hopefully we get it. If you did find this video helpful, please subscribe and let me know if there's any other math videos you'd like me to do, and I'd be happy to. Thanks for watching.